So now that we have our set operations, let's look at an example of a computational problem. So let's say our universal set here is going to be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A is going to be the set 1, 3, 4, 5. And B is going to be the set 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I want us to do is find the set difference A minus B. So the set A minus B, I can describe it in the following way. It's all the elements of my universal set, and the elements need to be in A, and they also need to not be in B. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my universal set here, and I'm going to check all of these elements. So the numbers 1 through 6. I'm going to see if they satisfy these conditions. So I'm going to just kind of organize this information in the following table. And 6. And I need to check, is this an element of A? Is X in A? Is it not in B? So let's look at our element 1. Was it an element of A? And the answer is yes, so that is true. Is 1 not in B? 1 is in B, if I look up here, so this would be false. Okay, so now let's look at the next row. 2 was 2 in A, so if I look at A, 2 is not in A, so this would be false. Is 2 not in B? 2 was in B, so this would be false. And then you're going to fill in the rest of this table, so I'm just going to fill it in. 3 was in A, 4 was in A, 5 was in A, but 6 was not. 3 was in B, so this is false. 4 was in B, but 5 was not in B, and 6 was not in B. Or wait. Yes. So look up at my definition of this set difference. I see this word and. So now I want both of these things to be true. I want X to be an A and, so maybe I'll just write it with an and symbol, and I want X to not be in B. So with an and, I need both of them to be true. So if I look in the first row, one of them's false, 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 false. But here in this fifth row, they're both true, and this is false. So if I look here, the only element where I got a true at the end was 5. And so the only element in this set difference, A minus B, would be the element 5, and that's it. So this would be my set difference right there.